Good morning, everybody. This is David from the New Trader. This is Marie. Yeah, let's see what the market offered today. The Nvidia earnings were like I don't have the data, but like for the reaction, I guess it wasn't like as was expected, or like I really have to go through the numbers. Yourself. But yeah, like let's see what SPY wants to do. There are certain things popping, like Tesla, a little bit there, but like not really doing much. So
SPY
I
seems strong. I'm just gonna go.
didn't save my layout yesterday, so let's try to do that again. So okay, so
Oy.
so the market is going to open in about 1 minute and a half, so 1 minute 25 seconds.
Yeah, there's
So
gonna be a big pullback.
yeah, it looks like SPY is really yucky right now. It took a little flush there. So
And there's a stack at 648. So we are looking 645.60. Boy, shoosh. Boy, shoosh.
is there anything that you are looking at before the open? Or at the
I've got an
open?
order at RR for at 280. I'm not sure that it's gonna get there. But there is a big. We seem to have big positions building and enough to get there, so then
Okay.
we'll see. And the other one, I was just looking quickly at CoreWeave. Wow, Rigetti's just on fire.
We're getting. Market just open, so watch out, be careful, and like enjoy it. Pretty cool. Yeah, Tesla flying. As like that was my expectation, but like I messed up in there because I didn't have the proper chart layout. I don't want to just jump on it. So that's a simple 400, and that's a simple 200. Okay. And I tried to get some Tesla. Oof, it's just sparing. It's going up so bad. Like I'm not able to get that. I guess Nvidia is gonna pop up quite heavy today. It has a lot of volume. Like if you see the volume on Nvidia right now, it's 400
Wow.
percent. So that's very unusual. RR is also like having a 1,000 something volume, and is 7% down. So watch out for that. So things are really popping right now. So Tesla, I have an order to get some Tesla, but as I say, like it's not really going anywhere right now.
Oh, come on.
So I'm gonna try to go.
Okay. So I'm printing on both. I'm going to.
CoreWeave and Rigetti.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Very nice stuff.
Thank you.
So let's save the layout.
I'm gonna break even on CoreWeave because we know how it can just wick our butts up.
Yeah. Like I'm trying to get Tesla. I'm gonna get some Tesla very soon. Um, there we go. We got some Tesla. I want to see it going even lower. I want to add at 350. Like this is a small position, looking to add more. Uh, but yeah, so let's see. I had a very like yesterday was red. I hit maximum loss yesterday. So
Okay.
All right, everybody, we are back. So, Eric, what are you trading? What do you have? Ooh la la, you're printing. Again, you are repeating the same move today, huh?
I want.
Bang. Pretty good.
On a different stock.
Yeah, and Rigetti, yeah.
On a
that's it.
different stock. Let's say on a different stock. I wanted to make sure that people.
Appreciating you are appreciating the differences in there, like.
Mhm. So SPY is pulling back to the PCL.
Yeah, the volume on Tesla actually ramped up a lot. I was talking with the guys one of the guys yesterday from the group I told you that we have. for
Yes,
traders, and
yes,
it's like,
yes. Your trading community.
Yeah, well, it's not mine. It's like it was Angel who made it, but yeah, and yeah, we are just like about 4 people. But yeah, it was cool that I mean, like my observation, what I was commenting to him is that if you look at your trades at the end of the day, there is gonna be like a moving average or a VWAP. There is gonna be something aligned that you're gonna see that was so obvious during the day, and you say like, how I didn't see that. So like that happened with pretty much all the trades I took yesterday. So yeah, very relevant thing. Like here, I'm just holding Tesla. If Tesla make a lower low, I'm gonna walk away. I think that's a good trade, but as I say, if you make a lower low, I'm gonna be okay with being out of it. So I'm gonna just put that stop loss right there.
So SPY's reacting. A good reaction to the PCL. I'm looking at Rigetti right now. It's reacting to the anchor VWAP. Look at the tape here. I took 3, but I really don't want to.
Hey.
That's the level you go through.
So I'm gonna do a little bit of tape reading on the. I'm gonna put the stop loss on Tesla, and I'm just gonna do some tape reading on Tesla. Here comes the money.
This was beautiful.
So I have a little order for Nvidia. Let's see. I think Nvidia wants to go lower. Like as I say, I want to do more tape reading on those names. Like
Yeah, I'd be interested in NVIDIA 179, but at 179 before I would put my order in on a long.
hmm
I would really look at the tape because right now we've got some hefty. Oh, 178. Holy cannoli. People, they just had earnings. What's going on? Wow, it's going to 178. Shut the hell. You went short?
On Tesla, yeah, but like I don't have shares. I like
Oh.
it's just running away from my orders. So
Jump in.
yeah, well, I not like that. But yeah.
Oh, you think so, eh? You watch me go?
The one I will jump in short is Tesla. I flip my size on Tesla. I'm gonna flip my size on Tesla. That was a mistake on Tesla. Probably.
Okay, so the bid's being pulled on NVIDIA. So this is good. 178. What you gonna do? Uh-uh. Okay, so 178's coming in, and this is where I might jump in.
So yeah, I have an order for Tesla short and I'm gonna keep it. I removed it and it went there and like a little bit disappointed there because I could just wait for it, but like it's gonna happen about now. You will see it's gonna go through.
Eee.
Yeah, that one you're gonna
You need to
just
close.
close and open. Yeah.
That was funny. Click, click. Collapse.
Huzzah. So Nvidia. Man, Nvidia is tanking like badly. So
Well, I got my order at 178. We'll see.
so I'm trying to zoom out a bit here. So I don't see why Tesla will go too high. Yeah, that's it. So Tesla, let's see the print. I wanna see the print on Nvidia actually. But,
Like 178 was a pre-market support this morning. Has been a support for a long time. I mean, no. 178, I've got a good price here. Here we go. It's printing. Trading NVIDIA. Something different.
yeah.
But it could go to 75. Am I able to 177.50? Am I able to survive that? Absolutely. But it seems like the participation on the tape doesn't want it to go there, but we will see. If it goes there, guess who's going to be adding? but 80 is really good, and I like the fact that it maintains 80, and then it's going to reprint 80, reprint 80, reprint 80. Like, come on, people. This is a really good price. Okay, at 50 I'm gonna add, but it should reprint. I'm looking at the print. Yeah, 178 is building. It's almost like people they've been waiting to buy,
Mm-hmm.
but they really want, as my partner here would say, a good price.
Good price.
50 seems to be a consensus. We'll see. Okay, 50's on deck. $50 on deck.
Read the tape, okay. Read the tape. That's what you have to do. So that was at 70. That's my price. So 70. Heavy bid there.
Yeah, 50. Let's go.
How is the ask? Sticking off. But it's not going through. It's dropping. I check this out, so I don't know where to put this thing. Let's replace it by this guy. You are crazy now.
look at that. That's been
Yeah.
a while, eh?
Yeah, it's
That's really been a while. Okay, own sales came in. Used to be minus 8, minus 0.8, and now it's minus 0.2.
that's better than expected.
Better than expected. Okay, so we've got huge tape acceleration. We do have SPY that's not making a lower low. I like what I'm seeing here. We could find that bottom there. Okay, NVIDIA, let's go. This is such a good price for you. Competing, oh, I like that. We've got competing. The tapes are playing tango. So, what are you in?
I'm AMD and Tesla.
Okay.
Tesla and short, AMD and long. But like I like your price on Nvidia. You are talking about the 177, right?
It's a really good price. We've got tango happening. I like that because before there was no tango, it was just going down.
Have a little order for Nvidia. Very tight risk in there.
I like the fact that we've got a little bit of a curl there on the RSI, and that the volume candles on NVIDIA, we do find here at this level, we do have buyers that are interested.
So I had Nvidia. I just gonna add another order. It got me out because I was going very tight in that one.
Hey, hi Larry. Oh my goodness. It's been a busy day this morning.
A little bit.
Just a little busy morning. Oof. Let's go. There we go. There we go. Let's
Okay.
go. Let's go. No, pop, pop. Retest the view up. Come on, people.
Yeah, AMD really flying right now.
Is it?
No, Nvidia. Sorry, Nvidia. Yeah. Oh, is that this thing is linked? So yes, okay. I have that for it. Like I want to observe something on the bit.
Okay.
Like
On NVIDIA or AMD?
AMD.
Okay.
So I know I'm chasing a bit here. I'm chasing Nvidia a bit. But the way I'm chasing it, I'm okay with chasing it that way. It's it was quite nasty the way it sold. Yeah, that was what I was saying. AMD is gonna pop up soon.
It's a
What happened is that
consolidating.
consolidating. Okay, that was consolidating off for AMD.
What do you say it's going to break up soon?
Yeah, I got Nvidia again.
I almost added there, but
It should work, Nvidia. Like I'm using a 15-cent stop loss on Nvidia on purpose because we have a lot to talk later, but like it's working. Like I mean,
You're below 178, so that's
that's
a good.
like that like I have an analogy and like we have to talk about that later. Like, but it's a little bit interesting thing. It's just like I never thought about playing stocks that way, but yeah, like in deep popping, you see, I know that.
Yeah.
And like you say, why? Like this thing have no value. Like I mean, it have no value if you don't like under certain circumstances. But like, what is the difference from the time that you and I were looking at that and for now? That now we have way more experience reading the tape. So what I can see is when it's in the consolidation mode, what is the difference between the divergency between the when the ask hit and when the offer hit? And what I see there is that when it was hitting the bid, it was popping up more than what it was
Pulling back.
pulling back.
I like
And
it. That's
where we
exactly
saw
what
that,
I
we saw
do.
that right here. Like if you take before this flush, so the bid was pushed farther than the ask. So once it flush below the actual ask, that flush is that the opportunity shows like, oh, okay, it does it again here, and then it rip off. That's why it's like
love it.
like it's just a gauge of the forces. Yes, it's gonna go lower, but which one is stronger?
Even with Nvidia.
Pretty nice. The key element for my Nvidia here, how much I was risking on Nvidia on that shot, 15 cents, and that's what I am saying. Like I have the 3 hotkey there. Like one of them is wrong because it's just 10 cents. But still, like hey, like right now I am making 3 R's in Nvidia compared to what I was risking. Not the actual R that is say there, but like that's gonna be off. That doesn't work. I actually have to say. So, but for Nvidia, let's start taking partial very soon. And I don't think it's gonna go down.
Well, what I'm looking at right now is that we do have a strong position at 178.50. I've got that there as a position, and 178.50 has been support for Nvidia this morning, pre-market and previous as well. We've got to understand 178.50 has been there for a bit. That has been support, 178.50. So what is going to happen now? I'm thinking since it's always been support, it should be even a stronger support. If we're looking at the MACDs, they're definitely spreading. We found the buyers, the volume candles are green. We've got a very strong RSI here. So yeah, no, I'm looking at Nvidia, and there we go. So it interacted with the 178.50. It popped over. It should retest it and then escape it. So let's see what's going to happen here.
You are crazy and I'm out of my mind. 'Cause
And there we go, and that's exactly what happened, right? So it's a strong, it retested, and now it should escape it. So next stop, we should be testing. It's going to be and it's all even level. 179 is going to be there. Let's go. So 178.80.
So we are printing very good right now. So
Let's go.
and like again, like I don't feel super smart about this.
Kaboom,
This like
kaboom, kaboom. 179. Let's go.
was out of
So-
frustration.
178.80. It went chomp chomp on it. Let's go. So, yeah. Let's go. Okay.
Even Tesla.
Vámonos.
Even Tesla is like a little bit yucky. I mean, I don't know what happened there. Like
Okay, reprint 90. Let's go. No, 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 no. No, 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 no.
so I know it's not the best to do, but like let's try that thing. Let's unfold positions, and I say like
I like
it's,
that. Okay, so 150. Reprint immediately. There we go. Boom. Filled in that order. We had some obsessive compulsive somebody that wanted 178.50 and blew it up so much that it had to come back and take that order. Let's go.
I put an order to get more in there too.
Hey, it got filled. No, nothing on the tape left. Let's go. We're going up. Next floor.
You are crazy enough.
So now we're going to be depending a whole lot on the grain of sand. On the rest of this.
So I have an order to add some Tesla.
Let's build the beach, people. Okay, 179. I would like to take a partial. We are there. We are there. So close to the fire. Let's go. It's on deck. Ooh, and it's building for NVIDIA.
So on AMD I'm breaking even. Like that's part of the deal here.
There we go. Ho, ho, ho.
Go for it.
Here we go.
Here we go.
Here comes the money, 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 money.
So breaking even on AMD, like I mean, it's still alone. So if he doesn't hold my entry, I'm okay with being out. That's AMD. Yeah, that's AMD. Yeah, like we get there. Somebody dropped the ball there. Like I mean, it's getting flushy AMD. That's what I'm talking about. If you see there is a difference between the average price, the bid and the ask, why is the bid spiking up like that? Well, because there is somebody offering like higher prices. And like then I don't have that light up here, but like we can see clearly where the tape is thicker, and it seems to be toward the upside up to 168.40. So let's see if he wants to go 168.40. And you are crazy and I'm out of my mind. Tesla is about to get me my fill right there. I want some more Tesla to the short. Let's see if we get it or not. Wasabi.
Okay, 179. Okay, so now that's good. That's good. So we don't only have a position at 179 for NVIDIA. It's 179.10 now. So somebody really wants it to pop right there. But we do know it's a 50 EMA right at the. Let's go. Push it. There we go. Push it good.
Yeah, I got some Tesla breaking even on that Tesla. Why? Because I just add because I remove and like I add at a decent price. So I just if it's going to work, I want to see it working right away. I don't want to like. I mean, the market's looking awkward. I mean, SPY's hanging around there in between, but below the range. So AMD, as I say, keep looking strong. Let's not get fooled by that, but yeah, it's the bid is readjusting itself at a higher and higher price. So is it going to be printing? We don't know, but the one we know is coming back down again is Tesla. So let's see Tesla if we can take another partial at around the same price. But Tesla may want to go lower, which I don't know why exactly, but
So we seem to have an interaction with the PCL for SPY.
self-interactions, that's what you look for. Come on, AMD. I am
And let's go.
risking nothing on you, my guy.
You're not going to reprint. Come on. You're so close. You're so close.
So that's why the problem was when the running happened, like right now, AMD, that was no good. But that's normally what happened before we really busted up again. So let's see. Let's see if we're gonna go a
Are you
little bit
done
too high.
adding at that level? Or is he done? Whoever.
Whoever is doing that, huh?
And you?
We are doing okay. Like AMD is disappointed. Nvidia gave me the ad I want, but like that one.
Oh, so it was you. I kept saying, can you stop adding at that 178.50? Oh, so that was you we went to get. Oh.
I the ad right there. Like I see the P&L like dropping a lot because I diverged my price down, but like. Hi, Papa. You are crazy on my mind. Is that the party done for Nvidia? I'm looking at I'm looking at what is this name, AMD. It's looking good, but like running out of steam probably. If it doesn't break in like a couple of seconds, like 5 seconds probably. If it doesn't break up at the 6840, because remember like the biggest seller was at 6840. My subconscious remember that one, not me. Yeah, Nvidia got me out. AMD probably is gonna do the same. But now we can give it another shot to NVDA at 178 if ever it print again.
He will.
It will.
We've got one that was late to the party
Mm-hmm.
and built up his position enough and made us a scene at the train station that we need to come and pick him up.
Good enough for me.
And what a scene he made. He yelled, he screamed. And here we go, going to pick him up. Next time, be there at the party at the right time. Is it you again?
I'm at 78 again.
There we go. See? We're going to pick you up, Davey.
Funny enough, the only one that is printing decent right now is Tesla. And we're gonna ring the bell for Tesla because I think we might go the other way soon.
Okay.
You are crazy and I'm a mind. Wasabi.
What's that?
Here comes the money, 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 money.
Jala jala. Jala jala.
What a morning. It's a what. What a
Hijo
morning.
de tu mamá.
It's a what a morning.
Okay, so NVDA, AMD have a little strength right now. Like I'm surprised that it didn't went lower. It will go lower probably. So, but let's see. It's about to get me out. So, I'm not totally okay with that. You know, I have a decent price. It's not the best thing. So. You are crazy and I'm out of mind. Oh, I got Nvidia. Again, 15 cents risk. I mean, like that one. Hey, let's play it that way. I want to get you out of it. NVDA. Give me little things, and I'm gonna be out of you. Do I want to reload Tesla? Probably I want to reload Tesla.
Excuse me.
To me. I need more screens now.
That's fun.
Oh, we're gonna get more. At some point.
At some point.
Because like now you see the problem we are having with the desk. It's not a problem. Like I just don't want to squeeze you too much eventually. So,
Oh no.
but like we can use the other side of the desk, right?
What you mean?
If we put the desk as a L like this, the whole other sides become available.
Look at you thinking outside of the box.
It's not outside of the box. It's
It
just
is?
like
It's outside
I
of
was
the
thinking
box.
like I have a because like I told you my PC when I built it I made a mistake. So I have like the only thing I have to buy is the box, is the casing. So like what I have so like what I bought by mistake was a micro ATX instead of a ATX. And like because of that we have limitation. We cannot add more monitors right now. Like but I'm gonna bring it back. Man, that's breaking my head, you know? Like I mean I'm gonna explain you later like something like it's making my head go kaboom. So we're gonna ring the bell one more time for this NVDA. Right there, we are not picky at all here, you know? Then we ring the bell.
Here comes the money, 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 money.
AMD seems to be struggling with the 6840, so is it gonna go through? This is like my brain is keeping the 6840 because I saw it on the tape, but like it's a weird feeling because I am not really thinking about him, you know.
We were what?
That I am not thinking about him.
Thinking about who?
About the seller that is at the AMD at 16840. Like it seems to be like if he wants to get crushed, but yeah, he got me out. You see. I'm reloading NVIDIA one more time at the same price. If ever you go back in there.
I don't see a whole lot of interest on the offer. That's the only thing I don't like.
I made a mistake. I made a mistake on NVIDIA.
Mm-hmm. Tape is changing.
Okay, come on, NVIDIA, let's fix that mistake. I want to fix that mistake without catching a lost. There we go. Do that. Go for me. Pop it up. Pop it up. There we go. And now we fixed that mistake. We are golden right now, so let's just let it print. let's see what this wants to do. We are getting AMD as well. AMD, those things are not going down yet. So NVIDIA, very tight risk in there. I'm gonna keep it tight like that because it have been working. And if it doesn't work, we're gonna maybe look to the other side. AMD, I keep it tighter because I see the strength on the tape. No, less tight on AMD. Tesla doesn't wanna act. Na. Ooh, Tesla flushing. As I say, I don't know what's going on Tesla since yesterday. Come on, my guy. Hello. There we go.
There we go. Are you warm?
Here comes the
Listen.
money, 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 money.
Jala.
Nice.
Okay, yeah, there we go. I got blocked. So off your phone. It's okay.
No.
It's okay. It was blocked with profit. And I did a good job in general.
I think so, eh?
Because
$3.50. There we go. You need to bounce swap that aggressively. There you go. Yep, that's what I was expecting, a big wick. So we don't want that candle to be filled. Oh, doggy. 69's on deck. Not big enough. Let's go. Okay, that swallowed it.
hey, I have time to work in my in my little software that is coming live this week.
Your little software. It's a big software.
What's up, Ella? I, I told you, honey, that doesn't work. Tesla seems to be wanting to go even lower. AMD is coming back to the same price it got me out. Actually, it wasn't AMD who got me out. It was the software that blocked me out.
Okay.
So,
But nice P&L.
yeah, thank you. But, yeah, thank you. As I say, it's just we have to work on that. Where I want to see assets. What are you doing, Ella? Maria, what are you trading?
Corey.
Yeah, just like that's the wrong thing. You see, AMD, like that was the software getting me out. In that one, I have a 50-cent stop loss. So look how it's coming back. But yeah, it's okay.
Dang.
Nvidia was the one that triggered it. But yeah, look at the Nvidia. It's the same pretty much on Nvidia. Core wheat. Okay,
Hola.
you are long in that.
Yepper.
So like, I'm gonna like that's the one that you are focused on, right? CRWV. I'm gonna put it here. Just like, holy crap, what a spread!
Yepper. It's usually 15.
And it's constant.
15 to 20.
What? How did you manage to be entry efficiently on that? Well, you are very efficient in your
Thank
entry.
you.
Holy
It's a 15
crap.
to 20 spread. Let's do this.
You are crazy and more.
Yeah, your stop loss needs to be very big for a spread of 20. But the reward to ratio is pretty cool.
I see. I can do better than that. That's a for sure. Like that, my P&L, you are seeing it there, but like, though I can do better than that. There is a very specific thing that I did today, and like, yeah, we can talk about that later. And like, I wasn't compromising much of the profit. Like, I mean, if you saw on Nvidia, I was just taking those are 15 stop loss. 15 cents stop loss, and then it make 80 cents, and, I took 40. And the same thing for.
Papa, can you help me with something?
Yeah, give me 1 minute. But yeah, like just like as I say, like from the beginning, like, and it's hard to do. For me, it's hard to do. To pick between $1, I wanna risk $1. I wanna risk 50 cents. I wanna risk 15 cents in this. And like, it's a dynamic that has to be there.
It has to. When you go in, you
Like-
need to be able to, and that was you that told me that. You need to go into a trade and know how much you want to risk, what's the game plan immediately.
Look
when
at
you
my
go in.
average loss compared to my average winning. So
There we go.
my biggest winner is more than about 3 to 4 times, almost 4 times, like 3.7, 3.5 times what was my biggest loss. And like even in here, what is it like? Oh, in the ones I didn't make big numbers, again almost 3 times. So I
Right?
look at Core with that. I'm looking at it, I'm looking at it right here, and I just see the spread like happening as the price is going up. It's like the spread is really getting violent.
Isn't that exciting though?
So I'll be back in a bit. Ella needs some help. Something is wrong with my internet. I don't know what it is.
Oh,
Like it's
why? What does it do?
like it's getting interrupted like microseconds, but like yeah.
Hmm. There we go. Wow.
You know something
Wow.
I find interesting, like though the bid is stronger
Wow.
than the offer,
Mm-hmm.
like
That was a 25-cent spread.
like look before, like here, the bid is clearly stronger than the offer, very clearly, and that's a very high price. But you like today, at least today, every time before breaking the real high, it have been breaking the bottom, and then it break the high. So it shake everybody out right here,
Correct.
and
But
then it whoop.
exactly. You got her. You got her.
Well, as I say, we are not hyper focused into that. I just want to see if there is evidence of what we read on the tape,
But we do.
and there is.
There it is. But we do. The tape is not. It's okay. Tell you what. The print is never wrong. The montage is rarely wrong. And the rest is changing at the speed of light. Right? So this is never wrong. This is rarely incorrect. And those, when the it's supposed to break, whenever it breaks, whew, hold on to your cannoli because you cannot read nothing. It just, especially on core weave. Like on core weave, it's a beautiful thing. It's just, whoa. It's like a tsunami that comes behind it.
Yeah, look at that, breaking up now. By a little bit. And people want to jump short because they will believe that, oh, it's not that strong. And like, you just watch it out.
Okay,
Now,
let's
yeah.
remember core weave was 150 2 weeks ago. That's an imbalance of hell.
Somebody came out probably.
But no, core weave got
Downgrade?
an upgrade.
Upgrade.
It's been downgraded enough. Jeez Louise. I couldn't believe it. I said, how can it go from 150, I think it was 157, to 90 or 89? I mean, eventually it's going to pop up. You're almost tempted here to break even. But like you've absolutely highlighted, Davey, is that it wicks people out of it really easily. So if you put a break even on here,
Yeah, you're going to pay. Like, you're going to be out by mistake. Again, like, I mean, well, what is the bid and the ask doing there? Well, the ask came a little bit strong, about 103.50, but isn't it expected to be strong at 103.50? It's a $50 price.
agreed.
I like, but now it's Pierce back.
No, so now we've got 103 instead of 50. And that's what I like. It's 60.
The seller is higher.
The seller, instead of going 50, oh, it went 60 and now it's 69. So the order here, that's a big one. It's going higher, higher, higher. And now we've got a stack. It's almost like
Look in there. Look how the bid is crap in there.
watch it go. Right there. And there it goes.
I think in here we can check if there is a, like, it's easier to be, oh yeah, the biggest sellers is a 103.70.
Okay.
69 to be precise.
There we go. So remember I said it was 50, then I said it was 60.
And then there is
Then I
nobody
went
until
si-
104 or 550.
No, now we've got,
It,
yeah,
it
104.
It just broke through like if there is nothing.
there we go.
So then the next target I see
104.
is 104.50. I see here.
Okay,
the,
no.
the 04 seems to be empty.
04 for me is huge.
Yeah, I have it empty there.
Okay. 04, we've got a position that's huge and building at 98, 99, and 104. So now let's see what's going to happen there. Yo sabe. I'll never get rid of that. Do you think I'll ever get rid of that?
Just say.
I know. Like, why is it that I've got Sabe so much in my head? Ah, ding ding. Food is ready. So SPY is above the PCL, SPY is above the VWAP, SPY is above the anchor VWAP, SPY is above the 50 and the 200, and we've got a really good ramping up RSI, which is good for the long. Just the volume is very low. 103.50, what you gonna do? What you gonna do? There's that pop of 20, you gotta love it. Oh yeah, look at it go. Oh yeah. It's fun. I compare to that. I prefer this, but it's
Yeah.
nice to see.
Yeah,
the-
like I don't want that to be distracting for us.
No. But it's nice to see it like that.
Yeah.
that you see the big spread that this stock has. Okay, so this is the last participation. That we just picked up at the station. So it seems like we've got it cleared. So let's go. Oh, Dell has a excuse me. Oh. Catching a cold.
So I have to do a conversion. So 15 will be 3 times.
Okay.
What is a 5-minute 5-minute moving average in a 60-minute, like 60 divided into 5,
12.
12. So, okay, 1 hour.
Papa,
Yeah,
help.
I'll be there. I'll be back. Big baby. So you are still in core with? Oh yeah, yeah. You are doing those weird charts more and more. It's not a bad thing. It's just like
They tell me it doesn't work. Oi. Salute.
um,
It is weird. They do look unconventional, but they work. right there. Boom. That was the lowest slope. That's it. That's all. So then, hey, you add on the pullback, you add on the pullback, you add on the pullback. And 104 is my first partial, which is coming. So SPY is still underneath. Right, and what about, okay, so NDX2, so they're,
Yeah, NDX is really ramping up
right?
too.
But still, it re-entered the range, but still not doing crazy. And let's go. Yeah, 104 is building. 45. And Davey, did you see my number of tickets?
Yeah, I have a better question. Have you noticed that I have been averaging?
Yep, at about there. It's right there. So I'm very consistent.
Yep. Why give me that? If I say, maybe I have to put the zeros. Perfect.
And there we go.
Here comes the money.
Here comes the money.
Not
It had me a
one,
little bit boring there, like like
not
this
one
is
red
look
trade.
sideways ish. Look at you. SPXL never cancel.
This is a dollar money. Let's go. Dollar Club here on CRWB. I'm expecting a $2 club, possibly 2.5. We will see.
Pretty cool stuff.
Look at these. Look at these. Look at these.
Yeah. Yeah, you match my profit almost with less shares.
A lot less, but I don't trade the same stocks as you,
Nice.
right?
Did you see that? Win rate 100%.
Hey, hey!
But that's for the long term. Like I'm just doing some adjustments because it's gonna be a new thing. So yeah.
Can I buy stocks in your company?
Well, if ever that thing get to be big enough, like, but this is just like because I did a bunch of bug tests. Like the trick in there is in here. It's like it's in the average move that is captured. Like
Papa,
yeah.
come.
Give me a second. 1 minute, please. So the trick in there is to get the to get the like there is a average move that you capture, but like the Nvidia will move like let's say 50 cents easy.
Easy.
Exactly. So you have like it's trying to find like what is that
Optimal move.
exactly, and then you are trying to buy like a
The
cheap
low-
price. So
And
like
try to get the profit out.
so I have another that is running since February.
Okay.
And so that means that it survived like Donald Trump tariff thing, it survived everything. So, and I was still printing.
That's impressive.
Yeah, so but like what the weird thing here is like there is a risk yet.
Okay.
Like but the problem is like this software like is not keeping the data after like it gave me a total number like now I know it's still green like I know how much you have been doing because I have been like watching it
Okay.
but every 3 months whatever happened before is gone.
Oh,
I'll be
it
back in a bit.
resets. Oh.
All right, we're back. So yeah, Corey.
Papa, I need to play with it today.
You don't need it, honey. You don't need to play with it today.
No, you want to play with it today, but you don't need to play with it today. There's a difference.
But when? I don't want to.
Ela.
Papa,
Mm-hmm.
Papa's working, my dear.
one more time.
Give me a minute. I'm gonna go one more time and that's it. I'll be back. Right, we are back. It's funny, PLTR is still going around those 156. Like this took like having hammer like very hard. I guess that seller really hurts a bit. Like whoever was willing to buy PLTR for longer. Yeah, that's what I was expecting. Corweed Marie is acting weird.
I agree.
Like the CRWV. Yeah, the like it's been like since he print 10450. Like that seems to be topping around there. So
Papa,
yeah,
I want to drive.
it's not the moment. Ella. You can wait a bit, and you can do that, but it's not the moment.
Okay.
So the efficient one was at the 20. And with that, it did that.
I'm expecting a big bounce from the 103, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, so that wasn't too bad. 40 cent bounce from the 103.
Yeah, the sellers are in control right now. Did you trade something else today? Yeah, you trade Nvidia too, right?
Yep,
How did that went?
went good. Got a profit there out of
Yeah.
it. It wasn't moving much. I got it at a really good price, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and I was able to add.
Yeah, because you got the 177, I think.
Yeah. The patience, eh?
Yeah, very cool stuff.
And our GTI, well, that was just.
Yeah, like RGTI, you did the same that you did in RR yesterday.
Yep. My order on RR is still there, but I never got it.
Yeah, because you got this guy here in the open.
Yeah, right there. Yeah,
You got the whole move.
the whole move. Yep, and I got it. Yep. That is what happened.
You're gonna have a rich friend soon.
Eh, God. Believe me, I will share the wealth. And if I'm rich, you're rich.
I prefer you to share the knowledge than the wealth. You know?
I
Because
love it.
that's what we are here for.
I love it.
If you learn, teach me how to fish, I can fish. I promise.
I love that. Instead of giving you fish, look at you quoting the Bible.
I'm not quoting the Bible. It's just a thing that everybody say, you know? Everybody say that.
Okay. Yeah, they took it from the Bible.
They took it from the Bible. I got you. I thought it was a Japanese culture thing. You know,
No. Oh, it could. You know what? It could. It could. It could definitely.
My worst distraction. Ay, papá.
Okay. What's going on, David? Dime.
Nothing, not much, Marie, not much.
No. Reprint 80 and cross quick because I'm out. Reprint 80.
you kidding me? Uh-huh.
Papa.
You need that? It's okay, Mama can fix it. You know those guys channel like now they trying to say funderize. What is that like?
They say what?
These people that you know them, so they Andrew and Timmy, their channel says fundraiser.
Oh, so they've got a fundraiser going on.
Okay.
It could be for the renovations.
No, that's the others. Like those are not the same guy.
Ah,
Like you. Like
Ah,
the one
okay,
that were the
see.
other reno was
see.
gonna be binging a bit. So. Yeah. So like. As I said, it's gonna be sounding for a little bit. I am testing a difference. Like if I ask for too much profit, it will take less trades, which also will affect
Yeah, the way you trade.
the end result. Like if I am getting like a 30% or 11% or 12%.
You don't have enough left in the trade. Yeah.
Like right now, at 120 profit, it was not enough.
Okay.
So it was taking the same amount of trade that if I say take 200.
Ah.
So right now there is like one trade that is left. Like for example at 150, it's taking 15 trades. But if I go 200, it takes 14 trades. So there is a trade that I am losing the profit because in between the 170, the 150, and the 200. So like right now I am just finding which one of them is. So it might be like the 160. So right now I go like okay, so go 160 and get me out. So one of the two is gonna get reduced before I get to the 200,
Okay.
or the number of trades is gonna get reduced. Well, actually, only the number of trades is gonna get reduced. I just want to see at which price.
Okay.
And at that price is your efficiency point,
Okay, the sweet spot.
the sweet spot. Yeah.
They call it what? The Goldilocks?
I don't know.
The Goldilocks zone. It's not too hot, it's not too cold. It's just right.
It's still like I add $10 more to the profit, and it's still taking the same amount of trades. So let's go 170. it's gonna go back up again. That core week.
Mm-hmm. I added on the pullback,
You are crazy, huh?
and you're out of your mind. Let's go 103. Cross it, and you need to retest 105. Let's go. Let's go. Well, it was very interesting to see CoreWeave behave.
Yeah.
It's really a nice trade to watch go. How it reacts with levels that you have, previous
Papa,
support level, previous resistance level.
Yeah.
we are done.
Right, we are back.
Wow, this is going to be sweet. Okay, so SPY is going to test the opening range. So we've got a big order at 647.70.
That's for core week. I think if it goes back to the 104.50, like that's your target.
No, my target is 104 and see how it's going to react there at 104. I bettered my price by adding on those pullbacks constantly.
Okay.
I do have a high position for CoreWeave because, like, we're talking big range, right? It's got a very big spread. So I'm really paying attention.
Still taking 4 trades.
It's taking portraits.
I have got it higher. Like now, you will see like so. Like let's say 280. I'm taking the same amount of trades. That means I am leaving a profit on the table.
Okay. Ella? I think it's a little noisy, Beja. Okay, SPY finally now escaping the opening range.
Ella. Yeah, next time.
Pretend that you've got somebody sleeping.
Like your baby's sleeping, no? I'm slowing down my coffee.
Hmm?
Like every day I have coffee almost up to the end of the show.
Oh wow.
So you see the sweet spot is 280.
That's the sweet spot.
Yeah, like I went 300, and at 300 it lost like 2%, like,
Okay.
and it took less trades. So when it takes less trades because it's staying trapped on a trade, you're asking a little bit too much. So, but this, like,
And that seems to be a sweet spot.
but
That number.
like for example, you will see like
Dang.
yeah, like it's $100 difference. Like in like let's say in here I'm telling you like which is a lot. Like for example, if I take 280, it will take the same amount that if I take if I take $180 as profit, it will take the same amount that if I would tell it take 280 profit.
Mm-hmm.
It's just I'm leaving $100 on the table.
Okay.
So you see now
Mhm.
that's the most efficient point.
Yeah.
13.77%.
Wow. Like that's impressive.
So, but you need to constantly adjust it because like if Biden's come back, the fluctuation is gonna be less. So if Biden's come back to the presidency,
No chance.
yeah, still pretty good. Like 7 days. Very cool stuff.
It is. Like, come on.
Unfortunately, we cannot do that with the stock. Well, you can do that with the stock. It's just like
Why couldn't you?
because in here, like there is a very specific calculated risk.
Mm.
Like you know how I tell you like what are the chances that you're gonna buy SPY at $400?
Hmm.
Exactly.
Close to.
That will be the risk. What are the chances that you will buy Nvidia at 150? Higher by a lot,
Yeah.
and that's
Closer.
that
yeah.
is that is.
So
it.
you have to deal and calculate the probabilities.
Well, it's a year.
Or do they calculate? Do you have
No,
it
I
that it
have to calculate.
You do.
Like, yeah.
Okay, you have
And
to
that's what I
calculate.
did actually. Like I mean, like literally, we will have to go like to war or something like that, for that to be, for you to lose the expected value to lose, because it's not that you're losing everything.
No.
I say expected value. That it can be more than that by a little bit, but not much more. As I say, I tested during the worst case scenario, like
Okay.
they survived Trump's tariff and all those things. And it's like I say, okay, I'm good with that.
Yeah, no kidding. I've got the mic and I dropped the mic.
Yeah. What's up, Dumbo? Did you like the new food?
And what did you get?
I don't know. I gave him Christine's one.
Hmm?
Christine brought me a little bit for him to try. I will see if he ate or not later. Like,
So what is the? Why are you changing his food?
because like he got like that since I changed the food. Like, I mean, like it's the first bag that he got from Kirlen, and it's not doing good. So, and we changed the food. Why did we change it? I changed the food just to not do grocery in multiple places, which was something dumb. But like then after I realized, I said, okay, no, I have to do grocery in multiple places. I don't have a choice.
Why do you not have a choice?
I don't have a choice because like from quality to budget perspective, like you get used to certain meat, let's say, and then when you try the other, it's like that doesn't taste right.
It's not the same.
Yeah, it's not the same, and but then let's say, the way I say I avoid like Costco for things I don't need, like higher quality, like detergent, let's say, like though we buy detergent in there because it's cheaper because you buy a big quantity. Well, now we are buying one then there, and like there is a specific like the dish soap. Bloody have been preferring the one that they have at Maxi. So, but that's what I mean. Like, yeah, like if I buy everything at Costco, it's gonna be more expensive than if I just buy what I need from Costco and then what I need somewhere else, I buy it from somewhere else. That makes more sense to me.
Yep, that would make.
So that's why I say, and like for example, even like his food, like the dog food, is like the choice I have was to buy a bag like
That would last you 10 years.
I have almost a year with that bag there, and that's why I say it's getting old. It's I don't know, like he didn't like it for sure. He didn't like it, so that choice seems to be done, Maria. I'm not sure. I don't want to
Yep.
copy
Nope.
everything, but like
And I agree with you.
I know that you just have a fantastic day. Let's try
Yeah.
to not mess it up. So basically, let's say I haven't done much job today. You know, like my head have been busy, and like you seen, I have been interrupted 100 times. It's not a bad thing. It's just happening, and like it's that's why I say I haven't had much time to really observe the things I want to observe. Like right now, the Nvidia is if I have to go somewhere else, like or somewhere with Nvidia, I probably will be looking short, but at a quite high price. So if I look at the tape,
Excuse me.
that tape is looking a little bit bullish. So what do we have more? We have more. Like right now we are at the VWAP. Like things I wanted to do today specifically, yeah, like that's looking very like bearish. So 180, it deserves a shot, I think, with very tight stop loss. That 180, like that 180 have a double shield that is small enough. It's like 40 lot plus 23, and then another like yeah, like there we go. It's just going down. You see, it's already going down. So the 180 seems to be like a good short, and that will be my, like in Nvidia I will be looking short, as I say, until the 79. At the 79 we can take a consideration there and like try to go long, but without sleeping much on it. Like that doesn't deserve a big risk on it. So like AMD today is, and let me check it out before I say it. Yeah, for sure, I was right on that. AMD is way stronger than Nvidia today, though like that's a little bit obvious because Nvidia was the one that had the earnings yesterday. So if I want to go long, because I think that the market, let's say SPY and Nasdaq, are looking decent, like they are not bullish for us to think that it's gonna skyrocket, but like they are looking bullish. bullish. Yeah. So, whoa. Yeah. No, SPY now is flushing. What happened to SPY?
Reacting to the 646.25 again.
Yeah, I see that. Like right there. That's actually the moving average right there. Let's look at that thing on video. So, let's see what happened when it hit the 79. And like something relevant to this, I wanted to mention yesterday. Like I didn't have the time. So, you know that we go with sizes to the things. Like it's also important to observe where there is no sizes, like Nvidia at 79.
Oh, look at you go.
Like there is no sizes, so let's see if it wants to bounce. Well, now there is sizes. Like now that it approached there, there
Did you
is.
see how quick they show up?
Yeah, like they were not like
They were there.
I say it out loud.
They are
like,
no sizes.
and now they are right there.
They're right there.
So what does that worth? Probably 15 cents stop loss, and why? Because it's flushing. Like I mean, you have a big seller, Epic Pen. I didn't get my Epic Pen today. Yeah, it's a little bit hard to determine because both bits and ASCAR, like yeah, it's a short probably. Let's see. If it doesn't break 179.35, it's a short. And we're gonna give it a couple minutes, as Marie say. Holding there, lack of momentum. That 79 worth to buy in my opinion. Yeah, buyers are ramping it up there. Like okay, we go back. It's gonna go back to the 179.20, I think. So printing 30s. Yeah, it's gonna go. Look at the 20s. Like 19 have 207 lot. 207 lot at 120, 119 I think it is. 179.19, yeah. 179.19. Is that a bid that I will buy? The answer to me is a yes. And look, it dropped to the 79. So it wake you out like very bad. If the 79 doesn't hold, 79, yeah, it doesn't hold. It prints 79.90, 79.91, no 79.90. No, 79.92. Let's see. Okay, wait for David. What are you saying? So it print 79.94. That was the precise numbers. So you didn't get shake out because it's a 15 cents stop loss at the 79. Of course, if you bought the 20, you got shake out, but like that will happen for you to be from running. Like, which is okay. Like I mean, at the 79, you just take it back. That was the actual price I wanted, 79. So yeah, again a heavy bid there coming back. It's gonna break the 50 again. It's gonna go to 79.50 like nothing. So where are you seeing that? In that little consolidations, you see how the bid have those pops that you would like to short, but probably it's a bad idea. There we go. That's 79.50, just like that. That was amazing. Amazing tape reading, like observations. Like
Isn't that great?
Yeah, it's very cool. Cool stuff.
It is.
You were crazy enough. Like now 79.50 building up. It got crushed. So the 50, in my opinion, also. Yeah, there we go. That's beautiful. Look at that candle. Like, Look at that candle, man. Like that's amazing.
Wow.
It's, and again, it's gonna do another pop right there. Look at how that, like, okay, that okay, the seller really hammered it there. Wait for it. It's gonna bounce the 50. Come on, buyers are not stepping in right now, so we're gonna have to wait. We don't want to see it breaking the 50. It shouldn't break the 50.
Here comes the money, 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 money.
Broke the 50 by a little bit. Okay, yeah, might be done. The 200 is at, okay, he said there is a relevant level at 79.40. And they are buying. So buying, okay. Yeah, sellers is a bit there. Then we go 50 again. Okay, 50, holding 50. 48. This thing is gonna go back at 280, I think. 63 is the target. Like if we break 63, 79.63. There we go. Broke 63 by the penny, then 65. Now the tape is clear, so it should go a little bit higher. There we go. Up to the 80s. It's gonna go to the 80s. Like they are very defensive right there. Like I mean, volume is dropping a little bit on the 1 minute, but it will be nice if you step up a little bit more volume above the 179.63. You need to answer? No. Yeah, like okay, they came back in above the 79.63. Heavy bid right there, like right there, like that's amazing. So we're gonna pop up, I think, a little bit more from there.
What about you? Did you want to wrap it up?
Yeah, let's wrap it up.
Poor Ella, that once.
Yeah, it's. I think next time I'm just gonna take the day off. At least for the streaming. Like I mean.
Yeah, that could be a good idea, right?
Yeah, because like we can trade and like without having to explain much things and like that's gonna be okay. So yeah, that's everything for today. I took very good trades today. Like some of them were not that good, but yeah, I was analyzing a couple things, and I came back to a kind of no conclusion, but like
That's so cool. We've got an identical P&L. Ha!
yeah, we have our P&L difference is like around $2,
Ah!
and we are both green, so that's a good thing. So yeah, basically on AMD, I went long here, and like I am not really proud of that long because the moving average was right here, and like though I survived, like I mean I did survive, then I broke even, and I say if it doesn't pop up, I want to be breaking even here. So then I retook the trade here with a wider stop loss, not than this, but like than what I was using for NVDA. It popped. It didn't pop. It got me out. Like it was tighter stop loss. That's what. Yeah. So tighter stop loss. I didn't make any money on AMD. So I actually have a little loss on AMD, which is like about commission, something like that. So yeah, AMD, as I say, that didn't work, but it wasn't horrible. Like I mean, if you see, it's pretty much flat. So that's for AMD.
I love it.
Then like Tesla was the one. My first trade actually was Tesla, and like that one didn't work in one direction. So then I took it in two directions. So, like, yeah. So I got long here. I say if we go back to here, like I want to add, I add. It didn't work. I step out and I say, you know what? I think Tesla doesn't want to go too high. Why did I say that? Yeah, why did you say that, Davey? I say that because the VWAP was being hammered around here, but not by that long, not that much. So I think in the other chart I was able to see the 50-minute being like a resistance. No, the opening price. Yeah, was the opening price, which is right there. That's the opening price, and it was acting like insecure, like trying to go down. So I short Tesla right here. I add to the short right here. The same I did. No. It was just one shot. Like my bad. This is one trade. This is the long that didn't work, and this is the short. So in the short, I got
switch.
yeah, and like it went here, like yeah, whatever. Then it went down. I took a partial right here.
And add it on the push.
Added exactly where I want to add. Partial again, and I say, you know what?
Beautiful.
All out. That's it. So that's Tesla. Fantastic trade, Tesla.
Yep, beautiful.
Then NVIDIA. In NVIDIA, I didn't do that much, but like it was still good trade. And I was playing more chicken here because we have earnings yesterday. So this is a 15-cent stop loss. So I got in, got out right away. Another 15-cent stop loss, got in, got out right away, and I say, this is a good price. I want this price again. So I got it back right below here. Then I partial, then I add, then I got all out. That's the 50 that Marie was saying, like, oh, we pick you up right there. So when he got me out here, that was a good trade. I made profit there. So then I went long again, partial again. Then I add again and got out. Then I made a mistake in this entry. So I reduced the size here because it was a mistake. And then the other out is the 15 cents stop out. And then I was broke. So, and that's it for me. Yeah, it's a good day. I have a lot to talk with Marie and whenever we talk, because like, for example, today you can notice that I trade different by how many partial I took. Like for example, this is a trade that didn't work, I got out. Then a trade that worked, I partial, add, partial.
That
then
looks
all
like
out.
who?
I know, but like that's what I
That's
mean.
beautiful.
But like,
And look at your P&L.
yeah, but like, and that P&L is a blocking P&L. Like that gets
Yeah,
out
that
by
that
block.
has to change. Yeah.
Like, but like one of the two things have to like, because the P&L change. But if I wouldn't be behaving the way I am behaving today, I will be red. Because I will be hard-headed into this is what it's doing. So, but like, yeah, so whatever. So then in NVIDIA, what I did, got long, didn't work. Got long again, didn't work. Got long again, work, partial, add, out. Get it back, partial, add, out. So that in that partial, I am doing two things. In that partial, I am capturing little profit, though it's little, like whatever. And once I partial, I'm breaking even or going out with a very small loss. So, like, I have an analogy that I don't want to say live, but like I'm gonna explain that to Marie. And like, but it's about like how much are you sacrificing in each trade, and like, are you willing to be all out in that trade just like for the whole day? That seems to be like a bad idea. So, but yeah. So as I said, that's it for me. Very good day in general. Like, though I get blocked. Let's see what Marie does. Like Marie did like a very good trade today too. So
Okay, so my first trade was RGTI, and remember before it opened, you asked me which one was I interested in. Was RGTI and CrowdWeave. So RGTI. So I really like the
right here.
imbalance at the RGTI. You what?
I'm saying where you got it.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So I got it right there, right at the open.
She partial here. She didn't partial in the way.
No,
right
I did not
there.
partial there. So I partialed the first time at 1640. Then I partialed at 16.53. Then when I saw what it was going on, I partialed again at
That was
that was
previously?
a double. Yeah, double
Yeah.
partial at 16.40.
Double partial here.
Yeah, then I partialed at 16.53. Then I was all out of the position at 16.11. So this
All
here's
out here.
yeah, it's a little bit over a 10-hour trade, which I'm really happy. Then my next one was Nvidia. So I really like what Nvidia was doing. So for me, it was 1678 or 177. So I got my first trade at 178. I added at 177. I added again at 177.40, which bettered my price. I took a partial right at the top at
It's
179.
funny, we have a partial at the same price.
Hey, I love it. And
So
then
you bought
I
it.
was all and then I
She
came
had it
all
from here.
yeah.
She
but
had
then,
it from the bottom. I got it $1 or something above.
and then I got it all out at 178.50 because it was pulling again, and I didn't think that it had enough momentum at this moment and retested 178.80. I wasn't interested. I got all out, and that there was just a 2-hour trade. Now, CoreWeave, oh boy, now that was interesting. I really liked how it reacted at the 150. So I went in with one of the biggest players. So I went in at 101.80, right there, at 101.80, and I got out immediately.
Okay.
So I got shaken out. So then I went back in. I walked away actually because I went to Nvidia to play. So when I went to
Downloading
Nvidia, I ran away from CoreWeave. I really liked the tape. I really liked what it was doing and how it was consolidating. So I went in at 103. I added twice because it was very small. I added on the pullback at 102.20 twice. Then I added at the VWAP and I only took one partial, and that was at 104. Boom, I waited. I went in very small there because it got me out too quick there, and I said, yeah, I went a little too heavy.
Then I see you got back in here.
So no, I didn't get out. So there I took my partial. I added when it came back out, and I
Right
went
there.
all out at 103.50.
Anyway.
And that one was pretty good. That was a 4-hour trade. So today in everything, we are talking almost a 20, it's a 25-hour trade. Trading
cool.
today. So very pleased. All my trades were green. The only one that I did place was that I didn't get. The others I did get.
RR?
Was RR. So my RR was at 280, but I'm glad I wasn't participating in RR today. It just left without me, right? So, but I knew that it was going to pop and probably retest. I was hoping that it was going to retest the PCL. It was very close. It retested it 1 cent from 1 penny, but it never pulled back down to my position. So this here is demonstrating a lot of strength. It's possibly something that I will keep overnight and see what I would, what position I would like, because I could be interested at the 297 of going in, taking a trade and keeping it overnight.
Cool.
And that's it. Yeah, that's what I'll do.
Okay.
gonna-
So that's everything for today. We're gonna be here tomorrow. Yeah, I hope everybody have a good day. We're gonna see you there. Bye.
Bye.